Are you wondering if that special someone likes you back? You're not alone. Figuring out whether someone is interested in you can be confusing and overwhelming. But fear not. Here are 5 ways you can try to determine if someone likes you, including paying attention to their body language, the effort they make to spend time with you, their tone of voice, physical signs of affection, and their overall behavior towards you. Keep watching to find out more. Number 1. Pay attention to their body language. Do they make eye contact with you? Do they smile when they see you? Do they face their body towards you when you're speaking? These can all be signs that someone is interested in you. Here are some specific body language cues that may indicate someone is interested in you. Eye contact. If someone makes prolonged eye contact with you, it can be a sign that they are interested in you. Smiling. A genuine smile, particularly when accompanied by eye contact, can be a sign that someone is happy to see you and interested in you. Facing their body towards you. When someone angles their body towards you, it can be a sign that they are interested in and paying attention to what you have to say. Mirroring your body language. If someone mirrors your body language, it can be a sign that they are feeling a connection with you and are interested in you. It's important to note that it's possible for someone to exhibit some of these body language cues without necessarily being interested in you romantically. It's always a good idea to consider a variety of factors, and not just rely on body language alone when trying to determine if someone likes you. Number 2. Notice if they go out of their way to spend time with you. Do they make an effort to hang out with you, or do they seem to always be busy when you try to make plans? Here are a few ways to determine if someone is making an effort to spend time with you. They initiate plans. If someone is interested in you, they may initiate plans to hang out with you or invite you to events. They prioritize spending time with you. If someone is interested in you, they may make an effort to rearrange their schedule or rearrange their priorities in order to spend more time with you. They include you in their activities. If someone is interested in you, they may include you in their plans and activities, rather than always making plans with other people. They say yes to your invitations. If someone is interested in you, they may be more likely to accept your invitations to hang out or do something together. It's important to note that just because someone doesn't initiate plans or spend a lot of time with you, it doesn't necessarily mean they aren't interested in you. It could be that they have other commitments or are simply busy. It's always a good idea to consider a variety of factors and not just the amount of time someone spends with you when trying to determine if someone likes you. Number 3. Pay attention to their tone of voice. Do they sound excited to talk to you, or do they seem disinterested? Here are a few ways to pay attention to someone's tone of voice and what it might indicate about their feelings towards you. Excitement. If someone sounds excited to talk to you or sees you, it could be a sign that they are happy to be around you and enjoy your company. Interest. If someone asks you questions and seems genuinely interested in what you have to say, it could be a sign that they like you. Disinterest. If someone's tone is monotone or disinterested when they talk to you, it could be a sign that they are not particularly interested in you. Annoyance. If someone's tone is short or annoyed when they talk to you, it could be a sign that they are not interested in you or are upset with you. It's important to note that tone of voice can be difficult to interpret because it can be influenced by many factors, including someone's mood, stress level, and the content of the conversation. It's always a good idea to consider a variety of factors, and not just tone of voice when trying to determine if someone likes you. Number 4. Look for any physical signs of affection. Do they touch you more than necessary, or do they shy away from physical contact? Here are a few ways to pay attention to physical signs of affection and what they might indicate about someone's feelings towards you. Touching. If someone touches you more than is necessary in a given situation, it could be a sign that they are interested in you. For example, if they touch your arm while talking to you, or give you a hug when greeting you, it could be a sign that they like you. Distance. If someone is interested in you, they may stand or sit closer to you than they would with other people. On the other hand, if someone avoids physical contact or stands or sits far away from you, it could be a sign that they are not interested in you. Flirting. Flirting can take many forms, such as making playful jokes, touching, or maintaining eye contact. If someone is flirting with you, it could be a sign that they are interested in you. It's important to note that physical signs of affection can be difficult to interpret because they can be influenced by many factors, including someone's personality and cultural background. It's always a good idea to consider a variety of factors, and not just physical signs of affection when trying to determine if someone likes you. Number 5, consider their overall behavior towards you. Do they make an effort to get to know you and learn about your interests, or do they seem indifferent? Here are a few ways to pay attention to someone's overall behavior and what it might indicate about their feelings towards you. Making an effort to get to know you. If someone is interested in you, they may ask you questions about your interests, hobbies, and background, and make an effort to get to know you on a deeper level. Showing genuine interest in your life. If someone is interested in you, they may ask follow-up questions and seem genuinely interested in what's going on in your life. Remembering details about you. If someone is interested in you, they may remember small details about you, such as your favorite color or the name of your pet, and bring them up in conversation. Being considerate of your feelings. If someone is interested in you, they may go out of their way to do things that will make you happy or to avoid doing things that might upset you. Being indifferent. If someone is indifferent to you and doesn't seem to care about your interests or well-being, it could be a sign that they are not interested in you. It's important to note that it's possible for someone to exhibit some of these behaviors without necessarily being interested in you romantically. It's always a good idea to consider a variety of factors, and not just someone's overall behavior when trying to determine if someone likes you. Ultimately, the best way to know if someone likes you back is to communicate openly and directly with them. If you're interested in someone, don't be afraid to let them know and ask if they feel the same way. If you're not sure if someone likes you, try using some of the strategies we discussed to get a sense of their feelings. Remember, it's always important to be respectful and considerate of other people's boundaries and feelings. If you are honest and open with your own feelings and intentions, you will be more likely to find someone who is right for you. That's the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. See you soon.